Well, if you have a Crown Vic Town Car or a Grand Marquis, and you've got these support struts on your car, and they're really weak now, that you got to use a stick as a safety device to hold this thing up, then it's time to change them. These things are not hard to replace. The link is in the description for the ones that I bought. So we're going to pull these old ones off and replace them. So on these clips that retain these, I like to kind of get something pointy under them to kind of just move them back just a little bit to release some of the tension. If these things have not been removed and forever, then yeah, you might have to do this. But so I just do that on both sides. There we go. Just moved the hood up just a little bit, came right off. Didn't even have to wedge her out. I'll get the new one. These will go on much the same way. You don't need to worry about the clips. You just pop them in. And this one, just like that. So now we can do the other side. Same thing, pop the clip. That one's off too. There we go. Oh yeah, much better. Can actually bounce the hood back and forth. Close it. Perfect. Easy fix. Pretty easy. Link for this thing, like I said, is in the description if you want to buy yourself a pair of these struts. Stay tuned for more videos.